Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Cannon Coffee, and today we have a Rancilio Silvia. This is the V3, you could tell by the steam wand and how the boiler is built. And it came in originally because they had heating issue problems, or heating element problems, and then they replaced the heating element, and it was now tripping to GFCI. So with a brand new heating element, which is kind of strange from just looking at it. Looking at the bottom, looks great. Looks like a normal heating element. Looks normal. But at the top, it just looks already old for some reason. Now, a lot of this rust is from the boiler, so don't worry about the threading. But from up here, it kept acting up and unsure why. So, replaced it with a new heating element. Been testing it for 2 days. And we haven't tripped the GFCI yet. And so, also, the reason why the lid's off, kind of want to show you, originally I had took some pictures of the boiler, because usually when you go into a machine like this and you're going to take off all the connections, you want to make sure you put them back to how they came. And some of the connections to the boiler, right now it's fine. I went in one of our own Silvias and looked at how the wiring was, but the wiring on this boiler when it came in originally was just a few wires were misplaced in certain places. Like this wire was over here, and that would not turn on the steam side of the boiler. It will turn on and the light will turn on, but it actually won't start heating up or anything like that. There's just a few bits and bobs here and there. So I just wanted to show that it is now fully wired correctly. And we are going to test the machine now. We're going to start with steam because steam takes the longest time to actually get to. And so we're going to make sure that it's nice and hot by opening it. I'm not going to open all the way because the steam wand will shoot out a bunch of steam. I personally own a Silvia M model, and I can understand how much steam comes out of this thing. So I just don't want to open it all the way. But as you can see, you get your heat for steam. Light gets back on to tell you that it's heating back up. We're going to turn it off. Now it's too hot for brewing, so what you want to do is purge the boiler by just running cold water. Let it run. Don't let your pump run for more longer than a minute, because if you do, then it's going to get burnt out. Or it might have a chance to get burnt out, but we're just going to make sure all that steam's out of there. Turn off that, close this up. Now, again, heater's back on to heat up all that cold water we put into the boiler for brewing. We're going to wait for that to cook up. Shouldn't take too long since the heating element and the boiler is already piping hot from steaming. But we're going to come back when that light turns off. Alrighty, now that the light's off and we're ready to brew coffee, we're just going to turn that on. And as you can see with the steam coming out of the group head, it is piping hot. And yeah. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.